Hello everyone. As you know, nowadays we are learning about narration. Okay. As you know, nowadays we are learning narration and few rules we have discussed in the previous videos, and in the just one video, in today's video, we have learned how we can change tenses of reported speech. But today we will learn exceptions when we are learning tenses of reported speech. There are few rules. Today we will learn exceptions where we can't the change tenses of reported speech. First rule is that when there is a universal truth in reported speech. Universal truth. When there is a universal truth in reported speech, suppose there is a universal truth in reported speech, then we can't change the verb of reported speech. Here is it this is a reporting speech, and the reporting speech should be written as it is because there is no object, and subject always should be written, object always should be written, only reporting verb should be changed. But here reporting verb is also not changed because there is no object. The teacher said. Then we should remove the comma, and in the place of comma we should use conjunction. And conjunction is always used on the basis of reported speech sentence, so that the earth moves is in present indefinite tense. So here verb is written as it is because there is should not be any kinds of changing in the tense of reported speech because there is a universal truth here. Round the sun. Okay? Round the sun. Next question is Ram said that the sun rises in the east. This is also a universal truth. Next thing is that if there is a habitual fact, then there should not be any kinds of changing in the tense of reported speech. Habitual facts. Okay. Here we can find out habitual facts, habits in reported speech. Then there should not be any kinds of changing in reported speech. His father said that all should be changed on the basis of his father. He gets up early in the morning daily. Okay. Next thing is that here we can find out proverbs. Third rule is that proverbs. In exception we are learning third proverbs. If any kinds of proverb is given in reported speech, then should not be changed the tense of reported speech. So here he remained or he reminded. Here 1 minute, this is written reminded. Okay, this is written reminded that abide, here A should be abide, carpenter, quarrels with his tools. Okay. Next thing is that here this is also a proverbs. Mohan said that when the cat is away, the mice play. This is a proverb. Next thing is that historical event. Here we can find out historical event. Historical events. If there is any kinds of historical events in reported speech, then there should not be any changing in the tense of reported speech. So he said that Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Okay. So guys, your today's homework, learn all the rules of exceptions for converting direct into indirect. Learn all the rules of exceptions for converting direct into indirect.